If you wanted to use sketch to image on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you can open the gallery. Over here we're gonna open the photo on which we want to draw something, and then we can use the AI tool that we have at the bottom of the screen, so these stars, or you can tap on this pen that we have right next to it, and then you can find a similar option in here. So once you open this, you should see the generative edit at the bottom, but we can switch to the sketch to image. Now we can draw anything you want and to try to turn it into a, let's say, a real thing. So let's say that I'm gonna try to draw another car in here. Of course my drawing is going to be really bad, but still, maybe the system, the AI will recognize what it is. Alright, so now we're gonna tap on generate, and hopefully my drawing, my exquisite drawing, is going to be converted into a really cool car over there. Or something similar, I guess. There we go, it actually was successfully converted. We can of course zoom in order to see how it looks like. We can see the before and after, and if you are not satisfied with this result, you can generate additional one, and maybe you will like the next one better. And that is pretty much it. Of course, remember to save as a copy afterwards. And that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.